See how to get an input variable and create a multiplication table. So for that, this is the extra command which I am using. It is called as ask. Ask, and inside that you will say enter the multiplication table number. So this we will store it in a variable called as mul, and I am hiding this print, and then I am writing a for loop for n is equal to 1 up to 20, and then I am trying to print the multiplication table, that value into the second value equal to the answer, and go to xy and move for 15, and so that it comes to the next line, and then print. So I am moving only the y axis, so that's why, so it will come the straight line. So you can see the variable, so it will print like this, one variable here, next, like this it will print. We'll check the variable. See it asks for the inputs, so I can say 8, so 8 multiplication table it will start. See here, variable is increasing, y is the position. So it is very simple, like that you can do for any table. So it is a generic multiplication table using a input by getting the input. So that is how, when you want to ask any input, you can say ask and store it in a variable, and you can do it. So I will just show you at the end. To ask provide your feedback. Just I am printing like this, whatever you type we should be able to print $feed. So this should happen after printing. We'll see. Multiplication table I am putting 9. It is printing 9. Once 9 is completed, I should ask for one more input. See, it asks for input, provide a feedback. So it says put, like that. So you can use it as an interactive mode also, like this. Thank you.